I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So children, before I am going to start this session, let me introduce myself. My name is Jyoti Sharma and I will teach you maths. So children, let's start with our new chapter, chapter number 4, subtraction. So in class 1 also you have studied about subtraction? Yes, in class 2 we will learn more and more about it. Okay, so look at here. Do you know the meaning of subtraction? Yes, subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away from a group or a number of things. Okay, and the answer we get after we subtract two numbers is called difference between two numbers. Okay, children, can you see here how many balls are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many plus 5? Minus. If we will take away 2 balls from here, how many? 2 balls. Okay. So 5 minus 2 is equals to how much? How many balls are left? Count it. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. This 3 is called the difference between of these two numbers. Understood? So children, what you have studied, we will just recall it. Okay? So just like addition, in subtraction also, we will start from ones column. Okay? So look at here, which is one column here, this, and this one is tens column. Okay? In subtraction, we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. Which is smaller number here? Can you identify? Yes, 10, 10. And which is bigger number? 34. Okay, so we can subtract 10 from 34. Understood? Now, we will start from ones place. Okay? Which number is your 4? 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 0 means nothing. So, we will just write 4 as it is. Then move to tens column. Okay, which number is your 3? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. How many fingers are left? 2. Write here 2. Yes. Now, we will see next example. 51 minus 35. Okay, look at here. 5. Again, we will start from ones column. Which number is here? 1. 1 minus 5. Can you subtract 5 from 1? No. Why? Because this one is smaller number and 5 is bigger number. We can't subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow from tens column. Okay? Here is 1 and here is 5 tens. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 10 from 5 tens. Okay? So it will become 1 1 11 and which number will remain here? 5 minus 1 4. Here 4 tens will remain. Okay? Now you can subtract. Yes. So 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. See? 10 fingers. So how you will do? See, we will do reverse counting. Okay, we will do reverse counting. After 5, we will count till 11. Count it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many tests? 6. Now, move to test place. Which number is here? 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? Only 1. Now, see, look at this. Again, we will start from ones column. Okay, which number is here? 9. 9 minus 9. When we will subtract same number, we will get 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Now, move to tens place. Which number is here? 7. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 5 plus 1. 6. How many fingers are left? Only 1. So, 79 minus 69 is equals to 10. Now children, we will remember these facts through one poem. Okay, so look at here, we will sing together. Yes? Now, more on top, no need to stop. More on top, no need to stop. More on floor, go next door. More on floor, go next door. And get 10 more. See, numbers the same, 0 is the carrots by doing subtraction on the number line. See, look at here. Here is number line. Okay. Start from 50. You will start from 50. Subtract 4. Then subtract 3. Again subtract 3. Look at here. Here is bunny. He wants to eat carrots. Okay. So, we will do this subtraction by backward counting. Okay. So, bunny will start from 50. You will start from 50 and subtract 4. So, when we do subtraction by backward counting, we will go backward. So, start from 50 and you will take 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. On which number you will reach? 46. So 50 minus 4 is equals to 46. Here also we will write 46. Now, after 46, then subtract 3. Then subtract 3. Again, we will take 3 steps backward from 46. 1, 2, 3. Where he will reach? On 43. 46 minus 3 is equals to 43. Now, so again bunny will take how many steps? Again subtract 3. Again he will take 3 steps backward from 43. 1, 2, 3. On which number finally he reached? 40. So 43 minus 3 is equals to 40. So finally bunny reach on 40 and we get carrots. Now children, subtraction facts. Okay, look at here, there are 3 subtraction facts. See, first one. In subtraction fact, the order of numbers is very important. A bigger number cannot be subtracted from smaller number. We can't subtract bigger number from smaller number. Okay, we only subtract smaller number from bigger number. Look at here. Which number is bigger? 4. And this one is smaller number. So, we can subtract easily 3 from 4. Now, look at here. 3 minus 4. Can you subtract this bigger number 4 from 3? No, it's not possible. Okay. Now, see. Second one. On subtracting 0 from a number, the number remains unchanged. When we subtract 0 from a number, we will get same number. The number remains unchanged. Okay. Now see, third one. Subtracting any number from Excel results in 0. When we subtract same number, like 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. When we subtract same number, we will get 0. Now children, look at here. Every addition has 2 subtraction facts. See, this is addition. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. See, which number among these 3 numbers, which number is bigger? 7. And these 2 numbers is smaller number. Okay, smaller than 7. Yes. So, when we do subtraction, in subtraction facts, we have learned that we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. Which is bigger number here? 7. Okay, so our first fact. First we will write bigger number. Okay, always we will write bigger number. Then we can subtract one smaller number. 7 minus 5. When we subtract 5 from 7, we will get this 2. Okay, 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. This is one subtraction fact. Then second. Again, first we will write bigger number. Which is bigger number here? 7. So write it here 7. 7 minus, we have subtracted 5 already. Then we will take this 2. equals to 5. Okay, when we subtract this 5, we will get 2. And when we will subtract 2, we will get 5. So this is addition fact, and this addition has 2 subtraction facts. Understood? Now, every subtraction has 2 addition facts. Every subtraction has 2 addition facts. This is subtraction. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Okay. Now, when we do addition, so we can write. You have already learned in previous lesson in addition that we can write numbers in any order. Okay. See, when we add two smaller number, we will get this bigger number. Okay. So when we will write two addition facts, first we will add two smaller numbers. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7, and in another way this is one fact. Okay, one addition fact. And another one, when we write these two numbers in another order, we will get same answer. Okay, 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. These two smaller number. Okay, when we add these two smaller number, we will get one bigger number. So we will take this smaller number, and 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Okay, in another way we can write it 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. We can write numbers in any order. We will get same answer. See question number 1. Write the subtraction facts. We have to write here subtraction facts. See, B 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. This is addition fact, and we have to write its subtraction facts. We have to write here two subtraction facts. And we have learned already in subtraction facts that we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. Which is bigger number here? 5. So first we will write 5. Okay. Then we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. Which is smaller number? These two are smaller number. So first we will take 1. Okay. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. How many fingers are left? 4. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Now, again we will write bigger number. 5 is bigger number here. Now, we will take another number. 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. How many fingers are left? 1. So, 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Now children, can you identify one thing? See, when we subtract these two, when we subtract the smaller number from bigger number, when we subtract 1 from 5, we will get 4. And when we subtract 4, we will get this 1. Understood? Now, see, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. See, which number is bigger here? 3. So first we will write bigger number. Then take one number. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. When we subtract this 1 from 3, we will get 2. Now we will take this another number. First we will write bigger number. Then take this another number, that is 2, because we have already subtracted here 1. Now take this 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. When we subtract 2 from 3, we will get 1. And when we subtract this 1, we will get 2. Okay? Now, question number 3. Write the addition facts. Write the addition fact. We have to write here addition facts of these subtraction. Okay, these our subtraction. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. In addition fact, what we will do? When we add two smaller number, we will get bigger number. Okay. So among these three numbers, which number is bigger? 9. So we will not take this 9. This we will get as an answer. So which is smaller number? Two smaller number here, 2 and 7. So we will write 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equals to how much? After 2, count 7 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Now we get 9. Yes? Next. Another fact, how we will write? When we write this subtraction fact, okay, we can write these numbers in any order, we will get same answer. Okay, we can write these numbers in any order, we will get same answer. So 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Okay, only order is changed here. Okay, 2 plus 7 is equals to 9 and 7 plus 2 is also equals to 9. Now, see, 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Now, can you identify which number is bigger here? 8. So, we will not take this 8. Now, this smaller number, these two are smaller number. When we will add two smaller number, we will get one bigger number as a sum. So, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to how much? Count it. 3 after count 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Now we can write this number in another order. 5 plus 3. Here is 3 plus 5 and we can change here its order. 5 plus 3 is also equals to 8. Okay. When we add these two numbers, we will get this bigger number. Okay. Now children, question number 3. See, this question is based on subtracting 2-digit number from 3-digit number. Subtracting 2-digit number from 3-digit number. See, this is 2-digit number 4 and 5. Okay, this is 2-digit number and 2, 6, 7. This is 3-digit number. So, here we are subtracting 2-digit number from 3-digit number. Okay, question number 3. Now, children, you know very well from where we have to start. Okay, first we will start from the ones column, which is ones columns here. Okay, 267 minus 45. 267 minus 45. We will start from ones column. Okay, which number is here? 7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. How many fingers are left? 2. So, we will write here 2. Now, move to tens column. Which number is here? 6. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. How many fingers are left? 2. Now, move to hundreds column. 2 is here only and we don't have any number here. So, 2 minus 0. We consider as 0 here. So 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. 267 minus 45. Okay, is equals to 222. Now look at here this question. 384 minus 24. So again we will start from ones column. Okay. Which number is here? 4. 4 minus 4. We learned already that when we subtract same number we will get 0. Okay, now move to tens column. Which number is here? 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. How many fingers are considered as 0. So 3 minus 0 is equals to 3. So our answer is 384 minus 24 is equals to 360. Now children see D1. 723 minus 11. Now we have to arrange these numbers here in their proper column. So this is 3-digit number. Always we will start from ones. Okay. So this one is at ones place. Then this one is at tens place. Okay. Now this 723. This 3 is at ones place. This 2 is at tens place and 7 is at 100 place. 723 minus 11. You know how to arrange? Yes. See, 723. Okay. Now, write this number here. 11. Okay. Now we can subtract. Always start from ones column. So, subtract the ones first. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 2. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. How many fingers are there? 1. Okay. Now 7. We don't have any number here, so we will consider as 0. 7 minus 0. 7. Okay. So 723 minus 11 is equals to 712. Okay. Now, so move to next question. 955 minus 54. First we have to arrange these numbers in their proper column. 955. Write it here. 955. Okay. Then 54. 54. Nice. Now you can subtract. Always subtract the ones first. So start from ones columns. Which is here? Which number is here? 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. How many fingers are there? 1. Now move to tens column. Which number is here? 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. 0. When we subtract same number, we will get 0. Then move to hundreds column. Which number is here? 9. And there is no number. So we will consider as 0. 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. Okay. So 955 minus 54 is equals to 901. Now children, our next topic, subtracting 3-digit number from 3-digit number. Okay, see question number 4, subtract the numbers. Here we will subtract 3-digit number from 3-digit number. Okay, you can see here these are 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. Here is also 1, 2, 3. These are 3-digit number. Okay. So we will subtract 3-digit number from 3-digit number. So let's start. Now A. 673 minus 251. Again we will start from the ones place. Okay. So subtract the ones first. Which number is here? 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. How many fingers are there? 2. So write it here. 2. Now move to tens columns. Okay. Which number is here? 7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. How many fingers are there? 2. So write it here. 2. Now move to hundreds column. Which number is here? 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. How many fingers are there? 4. So 673 minus 251 is equals to 422. Okay. Now move to next question. See. 5 plus 3. Okay, 5 plus 3. 8. 9 minus 8. How many fingers are left? 1. So 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Then move to tens column. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. How many fingers are left? 1. Then move to 8. Move to hundreds column. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. How many fingers are left? 3. So 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. 839 minus 528 is equals to 311. Now children, what we have learned today? See, subtraction. About subtraction we have learned addition facts, subtraction facts, and subtracting 2-digit number from 3-digit number, and one more, subtracting 3-digit number from 3-digit numbers. Okay, now this is your homework. Question 1. Write the subtraction facts. D you have to do. Second, write the addition facts. D you have to do. Now, in third, subtract the numbers C and F. Then question number 4, subtract the numbers C and F. Then Little Genius A, B and C, which is on page number 143. Okay. Now children, it's time to go. Till then, do practice, stay safe and healthy. We will meet in next video. Thank you.